So we began the process with sketching out and designing everything. We designed 4 garments in which 2 of them will have motors inside and the other 2 will be designed to articulate. Inspired by the ocean's wave-like motion and the structure of the lionfish, we created designs trying to replicate this fusion. Then learning and using the program Tinkercad to build a variety of 3D designs to print out the embellishments for our garment. After designing, we started using our Ender 3 3D printer to print out embellishments and our sewing machine to sew everything together. Printing each embellishment one at a time was time-consuming, but we wanted everything as accurate as possible. While printing, we also prepared patterns and fabric for the garment in order to sew later on. Near the end, we ran into a problem with our 3D printer, in which the motor for the hot end ended up burning, which resulted in the motor exploding, making us halt the project for a short while. Next, we began soldering all the electric wires together and coding the mini Arduino boards to connect to a single remote and work in a synchronous motion. We used the program Arduino ID to upload the code onto the board to give it commands of on and off and to control the speed. Next, it was time to spray paint, dye, and put together everything. It was also time to start pinning the embellishments onto the garment to map out where we wanted them. We made sure each side was even and did multiple attempts to make sure everything was of equal measure. We picked colors that are currently trending for the fashion season and tried to be as accurate as possible to match all the colors together to make everything cohesive. We had to match the fabric, spray paint, and liquid dye too for all 4 garments. Finally, we started putting the garments onto the mannequins and inserting the wires, connectors, and motors into the garment to really make it come to life. But we decided to go a little beyond and get a photo shoot done for them. We teamed up with our uncle and put together a mini photo shoot in our garage. And finally, we accomplished our objective of elevating style by integrating technology.